Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to use filter query and use the filter query to search a set of collections or the data source. And we're going to see sort by columns formula to basically sort a data source. Okay, we got the same SharePoint list, countries, you have title and the region. So I'm going to go quickly add a gallery control. This time I'm going to put blank, so you will know how you need to create it from the scratch. So first is you need to assign a connector. I'm going to go ahead and click the SharePoint connector, click SharePoint, add the SharePoint site, but I already added it here, which is my admin group. Then pick the countries list and click connect. Bang, it's connected. Then we need to add controls into this gallery and assign it to the columns that we're going to add. So as you can see, it is being assigned, but we need to add in each and every controls into the gallery. Click on add an item, which is working in this case. So then we're going to put a label. Then we'll add another label. Okay, so if you see the first label, it is this item.title is already assigned to the title column, which is here. And the second label is this item.region, which is the second range. So it is automatically assigned, which is a good thing, saves times for us. Then we will add a separator. We'll add some shapes into it, like a rectangle. We'll put it to full length. We'll go back here, put the height to 1. So it looks similarly like a divider. Let's assign here, go back to rectangle, over here. Okay. Sorry, I think I made it to 0. Okay, that's fine. If you fire away, you can see all the items pulling from the data source. Now we will try to use filter query, which is going to the gallery and we're trying to filter the items. Okay, now we will add a new text box, a text input, which we will use it for filtering, and we will call the hint text, calling it search to filter. Okay, and we're going to remove the default text here, so you know it's like a watermark for the text box. So now the requirement will be, as and when you start typing anything in this text box, this should filter based on this. So in this gallery, we're going to go, we use a formula called filter. So we are filtering the countries based on what we're going to type in the text box control, which is text input 1. That's the control name. So filter countries, and we're going to say whatever I type in text input should be in the title of the data source. Okay, so let's click F5. So I have not typed anything, that's why it's all appearing. If you start typing a letter UK, you can see it's coming. If you start typing Uganda, it will come up. And if you start typing India, IND, you have Indonesia, so that's why it's pulling IND, the Indonesia will go away. So nice. Now we will take this step further. How about if I want to search by title as well as the region, which is showing here? So all you have to do is add another clause which is I'm just going to copy the same formula here and paste it here, and instead of title I also want to be searched by region. So filter countries, and the text input, whatever I'm typing here, it can be either in the title or it's in the region. Okay, so now press F5. Now if I type Europe, I get 1. If I type America, I get America. If I were to type Mexico, yeah. Zimbabwe, yeah. How about Africa? I have 2 Africas. That's why it's up here. So that's the filter query which is applying here. So now I want to sort this lists I'm pulling from the SharePoint site is not sorted. So if you want to sort a data source, the correct formula is sort by columns followed by the data source. The data source is all which I have already filtered. So this is the data source for that. Okay, so I'm going to filter the one which is being filtered already. I'm going to sort it. Yeah, that's my data source. And what column I'm going to filter? I'm going to sort it by title. Yeah, I'm going to sort it in the order of ascending. Yeah, so press F5. As you can see, it's already in the ascending order based on the title, not on the region. If you want, you can put it for region as well. It's totally up to you. Right. So let's filter and then see how it acts. So Africa. So you can see it's filtered by Africa, at the same time it's sorted by the title. If you put Indonesia, and it's also sorted. How about Asia? You have a lot of Asia here. So China is the title, so it sorts by title but also filters by the region. Good. So right now we have sorting by title, and the sort order is ascending. What if I want to make it to descending, and if I want to make it it's up if I want to make the sorting given to the end user? So that can be done by clicking of a button to change from ascending to descending, and also vice versa. So to do that, what we have to do is we have to create icon. I'll just put here, just button here, then insert an icon. I'm going to put a sort icon here and place it in somewhere here. Then on the screen, actions on visible, I'm going to create a variable which is update context. You might have seen the variables. You must know already by now what is a local variable and what is a global variable. If you don't know, you can go back and check my previous videos. So I'm going to create a local variable that tells what would be my default sort order when the page loads. So I'm going to create a local variable called local sort order ascending. Yeah, if the ascending is true or not, I'm going to put it to true. Yeah, so what it says is when the page loads or when the screen loads for the first time, the sort order is ascending, but I can change it to descending by clicking off on this sort icon. Yeah, so what I have to do is on here I'm going to change the value, yeah, of that same variable where sort ascending to whatever it was not there. For example, if it is sort order ascending set to true, I'm going to set it to false, and if it's false, I'm going to set it to true. So first, when the page loads, the sort order ascending will be set to true, so it will be sorted by ascending. Fine, when I click here for the first time, what will happen is it will check if the ascending order is true or not. It will return true, yeah, and I'm putting a not variable here. So this is a not operand will convert the true to false. So basically it will be like a toggle. So if it's true, it will make it false on a click of the button. So next time if you click, the false will become true. So based on that, you're going to play. Yeah. So this will do that. Okay. So, and I need to bind that variable into the sorting order. So, so right now, as you can see in this line of code, I have hard coded it, which we don't want to. We want to be dynamic. So instead of this, you're going to put if sort order, sorry, the variable name is variable sort order, then put it to ascending. If not, put it to descending. Okay. So this button clicks whenever I click on this sort icon, it will change the value where sort ascending to true and false on every time I click. Yeah, and every time there is a true here, it will make it to ascending. If it's false, then it will make it to descending. So vice versa. Okay, you will see that in action. So fire away. So as you can see, this is the first time I'm running. I have set this sort order ascending to be true. So that's why it is showing as descending. So if I click one more time, it will become ascending. And if I click again, it will become descending. So this will be like an infinite loop, or you can keep on, you don't need to hard code it anything. It can be set it as a variable and you can use it for sorting on any columns you want. Then we will try to create one example. So Africa, this is the filtered one, and at the same time it is sorting by ascending. So if I click this one, it will turn back. And as you can see, I am filtering it, at the same time I am sorting it also. So yeah, that's on sorting and ascending, and also by searching by using filter query. So we will see more on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.